But we also do acknowledge that data sharing is not straightforward. There are issues of trust, there are issues of collaboration and equity, and there are also economic factors associated with it. But the onus is on us, and in particular, being researchers based in low resource settings, we ought to make the data that we are generating available for reuse and for decision making. If we don't do that, there is a risk of bias. There is a risk of bias in the estimates that are generated. There's a risk of bias in the algorithms that are generated, or even in innovations. Now, the pulse oximeter has been found to be less accurate for individuals with darker skin tones. AI algorithms developed in the West, when deployed in the South, have been found to perform suboptimally. Why? Because the data used to train these algorithms is not representative of communities in these areas. Now, the frequently cited global burden of disease study relies on modeled estimates rather than observed data for many countries in low resource settings. What are the results of this? It means that these estimates, which are potentially used to influence some decision making, may be inaccurate for these settings.